Well, I can do this right here, and you probably cannot. You give me a round of applause. Don't worry, it gets better. Just like every athlete has to do a warm-up, so I believe every audience has to do a warm-up. Right now I'm going to do a trick that I call the ooh. So when I do this, I need everybody real loud to go ooh. Clearwater Beach one time, really loud. I call this trick the ooh. I call this one the ah. I call this last one the whoa. As you're going to see, it's a very difficult juggling trick. If I pull this one off the first try, or only show it tonight, I want to hear whoa really loud. Let everybody know they're missing a show. It's our last chance to get a bigger crowd before we do the dangerous stuff. I'm going to do a quick impersonation. If you know this, yell it out. Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. I'll do one thing she can't do. It's our toys, our tricks. We get 3 tries at everything. Everybody's try number 1. At the whoa. Shut up, kid. One more time. I said it was difficult. The whoa. I'll keep doing this so everybody claps. Are you ready for the dangerous stuff? Say yeah. If you want to see me put one out with my mouth, say do it. You want to see me eat the fire? Say eat it. Eat it. Before I put the fire in my mouth, there's one very important thing I want everybody out here to know, and that is right back there is a real fire extinguisher. Please feel free. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Is anybody going to stop me? Damn, another sick crowd. One more time, kids! Don't attempt any of the tricks you're about to see us do. If I succeed, put the fire out of the house. You guys make some noise. Go more of the show. You ever seen a good fire eater and a bad one? A mustache. Fire goes out, makes some noise. Check this out. In case you missed that. How about the real noise? Now the dangerous stuff. What you're going to see next is probably one of the most dangerous juggles you see that live. What I'm about to juggle is a very large, very real machete. To prove to you that this is a real machete, I'll cut this kid right here. I'm going to juggle a machete. A hatchet. And I'm going to let you guys decide the next one. I can either do a sickle or a 250,000 volt taser on a stick. We're going to use my noise. With the sickle, say yeah. Yeah. The taser, say oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
To make this a little more interesting or a little bit more dangerous. To make this a little more interesting or a little bit more dangerous, I'm going to do this juggle. While balanced on this board. My favorite numbers are 911. All right. Now back. Hold those up. Run right down. Kids, take a good look at me and listen up. This is very important. Go to college.
Go to college.
I did. My parents did this. I'm going to be honest and tell you. I can't do this long. You have to clap it now. I can't hear you. Can I just get a couple chubby people to lay down, please? Okay, grab those. Now, if you're ready for our finale, say yeah. Yeah. When my son Nick was 15 years old, he was the youngest professional escape artist in the country. Now at 28 years old, he's one of the fastest. I'd like to introduce everybody to my son Nick. Hang on 1 second real quick before he continues. We seriously need to get you guys to spread out just a little bit.
Yeah, stay with your group. Other than that, spread out from other groups. It's our only requirement.
Only requirement. We'll shut the show down real quick. Thank you guys very much.
Starting to get a big crowd.
Go ahead, baby.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we go into the finale and the last part of the show, I just have a couple warm-up tricks to get me stretched out. After I do a warm-up trick, you guys make a bunch of noise and we'll go into the finale. Here goes warm-up trick number 1. When I'm done, make some noise. So make some noise. Okay. That was pretty easy. We're going to try something a little bit harder. Now, ladies and gentlemen, after I do this, you guys make a little bit more noise and we'll go into the finale. Here goes warm-up trick number 2. This is not it. It's not it. This is it.
Now, before Nick gets wrapped up in the straight jacket and the box of chain you see back there, he's learned a cool trick. If you want to see it, say yeah. Yeah! Now there's 2 ways an individual can fit their body through a tennis racket. There's an easy way and a hard way. First, he's going to show you the easy way. That was an easy way of making some noise. To show you exactly how easy that was, this guy in the red shirt.
He's looking for another guy in a red shirt.
If you guys want to see the hard way, say yeah. Yeah! No, check it out. It's very, very difficult. The only ones that do it if you really want to see it. If you really want to see it, say yeah. Yeah! Look. It's a boy. I want everybody to follow my lead. Follow my lead. Get a rhythm going. This is how you bring the audience together, right here. 1 minute. There it is. Keep going. Now for the part Kim Kardashian cannot do. Come on, guys. If you're ready for the finale, say yeah. Yeah.
All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to the finale and the last part of the show. This is my favorite part of the show, my straight jacket. Now, normally in this part of the show, I pick 2 strong audience members to tie me up, but we're not allowed to use audience members at the moment. So my dad's going to strap me up, and I'm going to walk you step by step what he's doing while he's doing it. Now, the straight jacket starts with 6 buckles that go down. 6 buckles that go down the back of the jacket. He's going to start with the top one. They all work just like belt buckles. He's going to go through the buckle all the way to the end, buckle it, and he's going to loop it and loop so it doesn't come undone. If you guys are having a good time on Clearwater Beach, say yeah. Yeah! If you guys are having a good time at our show, say yeah. Yeah! Now, when most people think of escape artists, they think of Harry Houdini. Harry Houdini's real name was actually Eric Weiss. He originally did this trick. Now, once he's done with the 6 buckles in the back, there's another buckle that goes in between my legs to keep me from lifting the jacket over my head. I'm swinging to. Oh, yes, just like that.
I used to call this a babysitter.
I'm swinging to. Goes all the way up to the middle, back at the bottom of the jacket. And then finally, my arms are both strapped across my chest, and the buckle goes all the way across the back in the middle.
Has anybody in the audience done this part before? Has anybody helped tie him up? Anybody?
Alright, now he's going to wrap me up with 70 feet of chain. And while he does that, we're going to play some music for you.
Before the stay-at-home order, before COVID, Nick would use 50 feet of chain. After having 3 months off, he wanted to step up the game a little bit, and Brian decided to go with 70 feet of chain. This is 70 feet of chain. Now let me get a quick show of hands before he does this. How many people have never seen something like this done before live? It's intense. When Harry Houdini originally came up with the straitjacket escape, he would only use the straitjacket and it'd take him about 3 minutes to get out of it. There's a video on YouTube. Nick's added 50 feet of chain to that same escape, or 70 feet of chain to that same escape. He's going to try to beat that time. If he succeeds, make him some noise. What you have just witnessed is the oldest form of theater. Theater did not move indoors till about the 16th century. This is street theater. This is how entertainment began. And in keeping with one of the oldest traditions, at the end of our show, we are going to stand here with our hats out for tips or donations. It's called busking. So what that means, those of you that do not know, is nobody pays us to come out, but they allow us to come out and perform for tips and donations only. We're not going to bore you with a big drawn-out money speech. Nick and I travel all over the country performing, but we live right here in Clearwater and Dunedin. We're off tour. We love coming out here doing shows, but it does take your support. And let me get a quick show of hands. How many people remember when there was no cable television, you only had 3 channels on the TV set? Remember back in those days, the entire family would sit around and watch a television show together. That doesn't happen anymore. But we just, take a look around. We just took about a crowd of about 150 complete strangers, turned us all into one big family. We think that deserves something. Help support the arts. And if you don't have any cash, don't feel bad, we understand. We accept Venmo and Cash App. It's real. Help support street theater. Get your cameras ready. You have a good time on Clearwater Beach, say yes? You had a good time at our show, say yes? Everybody say, Na. I just want to see these. You ready, Nate? Your time starts now. You guys make some noise. Give it some encouragement. Generally speaking, the louder you are, the faster he is. And the sweat is real.
Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind. Thinking I can see through this, see what's behind.
Come on, guys, lead him here. Now you sound your crowd. 30 seconds, man. 30 seconds. Come on, man. You got it.
Look in the mirror, what do you see? You see it clearer, how do you see?
45 seconds.
What you believe. forgiveness. Making you cry.
140.
Blame on me. Don't let the
155. Come on, guys, right in here.
That was pretty
Everybody stop. Without an audience, there is no show. We hope you had half as much fun as we've had putting it on for you. We can't walk up to you, please walk up to us. Help support Street Theater. Have a wonderful evening, guys. Welcome to Clearwater Beach. We hope you had some fun. We're trying to raise $1 million by 10 o'clock.
Blas, what you think about that show, bro?
But that shit was
That was dope.
breaking and enthusiastic.
He was
energy.
eating fire, juggling fire.
He got out of the whole straight jacket.
He made it out. That was crazy.
Amazing.
Hey, make sure y'all like and subscribe.
Hey, like,
Hey,
subscribe,
hell
comment.
yeah.
Hey, if you
This
want to get
Balaj.
at me, just hit my
Follow my
line,
boy
you know
Balaj.
my name, bro, Balaj.
Hey, follow Hater too.